So you might be trying to figure out how you can use the Walmart application. Now, luckily for you, it's a pretty basic app to use. There's not really anything super insane going on with it. The first thing you want to do is download the application. So this is what it looks like, and you can get it inside of your Apple App Store or your Google Play Store. So then what you want to do is you want to go ahead and open up this application. So when you first go and open it up, it might tell you to log into the app. It will also tell you to create an account if you want to, but you can also continue as guest if you don't want to go and create an account. So when you get inside of the application, there's a lot of stuff, but let me go and try my best to break it down for you. In the top left corner, you're going to see a sign in button. So if you want to, you can tap to it if you want to go and sign in. In the top right button, you'll go and see this little button that basically shows you a cart. If you want to, you can tap on it, and that will go ahead and be a cart icon where you can see all the different items that you basically put inside of your cart. There's also a search button here. If you ever wanted to search for something within Walmart, like eggs or a TV or an iPhone or cereal or something like that, you can search for it inside of this application. So you can go through right in here and search for this app, and you can click search, and you can even scan barcodes by clicking on this button right there. It will allow you to start scanning barcodes if you allow camera access, so click allow. And it will allow you to go and start scanning items if you really want to, which that in and of itself is a really cool thing going on here. Now going back, if we go and click on the cancel button in the top right, you can go and click here and you'll come back here. Now this will be information about your store. This will be different descriptions of different categories where you can kind of scroll through and you can find a different item if you want to go and kind of add it in, which is really, really cool. You also have this portion right here, which will show you the Walmart Plus app, 50% off. If it's a random deals, you'll kind of have these like random deals that kind of show throughout, which is really, really cool. And then here, it'll show you a bunch of other items. So you can scroll through here and just get an idea of basically other deals. There's Black Friday going on right now. So there's a lot of stuff you can basically choose and kind of buy. So this is in and of itself another really cool thing going on here. Now, if you click on My Items, this will show you a different list of different items that if you wanted to buy, you can go and get them. So it's pretty cool because you can go through and add different lists and different categories if you want to make a registry. You can go and do that kind of stuff here too, which that in and of itself is another really cool thing going on here. You can also click on the search button down here if you want to search further. So you can search for different items, you can search for different gift ideas. There's a lot of other things you can basically search for around here too, which I think is another really awesome thing. Now under here you have services. So what this is that this is different services that the Walmart application will basically give you. So these are things like Walmart Pay, check a price, or store map. So if you want to see a map of your store, you can tap here, and it will actually give you a glimpse of what your store will basically look like the actual Walmart you're about to go to. So you can kind of get an idea what it looks like, which is actually really convenient. You also have Walmart Pay here if you want to. You can go and create Walmart Pay, so you can pay straight from your phone, which in and of itself is a really nice thing. You can check a price here, and you have the different member benefits if you have Walmart Plus. You can go through and have these things send up here too, which again in and of itself is another really, really cool thing. Now at the very bottom right, you have account. So if you tap on account, this will basically be a different, a bunch of information about your account history. So this will be, you can sign in, so you can, create an account and all that. You can see your purchase history, your subscriptions and plans. You can see all that information. So you can kind of go through and kind of see all this other type of information that you like, and you can go through there and you can edit up all this information if you want to. But that is another thing you can do as well. So that is basically the Walmart application. There's not really anything super insane going on here. It is a pretty basic app, but that's essentially how you kind of use it for the most part. So if you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.